Now, suddenly with a heavy crashing of bushes, the striped body of a tiger leaps into the pen. Pen is a place where the tiger resides, and seized a fat lamb, captured a fat lamb. The watch the watchdog the dog who was watching everything, strained at the rope until he broke loose. Then he ran for safety. Then the other dog set up a frightened howling. But the sheep and the goats were silent with terror. All the other sheep and the goats were silent. They were all silent with terror, very much afraid. Now, at the sudden noise, Hatukatu, hearing the noise, who was lying only half asleep, sat up and rubbed his eyes. The boy missed Dasu from his tent, so he ran out to see what had happened. The boy didn't see Dasu, the dog, and so he ran out from the tent. Now, so he ran out to see what had happened. A sound of angry snarling came from the tiger, who held the poor lamb under one of his giant paws. Now he captured the poor lamb under his paws. It is a tiger, gasped the boy. The boy asked, "Is it a tiger?" Without thinking of what he was about, Hatukatu sprang towards the big animal, waving his arms widely. He hoped to scare him off, but the tiger was old and fierce and had no intention of being scared away by a small boy. So Hatukatu sprang towards the big animal, waving his arms widely. He hoped to scare him off, but the tiger was old and fierce and had no intention of being scared away by a small boy. Now then, as Hatukatu saw waving his arms, the tiger's eyes gleamed wickedly. Shining wickedly. With a quick spring, the great animal threw himself at the little boy and knocked him flat on the ground. Hatukatu gave a loud scream, and the next moment a small furry body flung itself at the tiger's head. Now, a small furry body furry full with fur. It was Dasu. Whenever the tiger tried to lower his great snarling mouth to seize Hatukatu, Dasu was in the way. His small sharp teeth dug into the tiger's head and neck. When the tiger was ready to capture Hatukatu, Dasu captured the tiger with his teeth, and the tiger gave a loud scream, and the fierce animal became very angry. Now, Hatukatu then what happened? Dared not rise and run, so he buried his face in the ground. The minutes seemed like years to the little boy. He knew that Dasu could not help. Him much longer, for the dog's soft little body was already covered with bites and deep scratches. Oh, why did someone not come to his aid? At last, what happened? Hatukatu's mother awoke, and in a moment she roused the rest of the family. Hatukatu's mother, and with the help of all the other members of the family, they came there. Shouting loudly, They attacked the tiger with heavy sticks. They attacked the tiger with heavy sticks. Then, in despair, Hatukatu's mother threw a lighted torch at it. Hatukatu's mother threw a lighted torch to the tiger. Now, he leapt down and valley and was gone. Hatukatu was not badly hurt, though he was bruised and had a few cuts where the tiger had bitten his shoulder. The tiger had bitten his shoulder, he had some cuts, bad cuts there. But poor Dasu, when they found hiding in a corner, was badly wounded. Hatukatu's mother bound up to the boy's cuts with a piece of dirty rag and placed a lamp of salt against the sore place, but they all shook their heads over Dasu. Now, they were very much all afraid and felt very sad towards Dasu because and they were very much grateful to Dasu, and they felt bad for Hatukatu as he was injured by the tiger but saved his life. Dasu saved the life. After many days of careful attention, Dasu recovered. Dasu recovered after many days of attention. Though he was never as strong, as swift, as foot as before, but he was very swift before, now no more, he was so much swift. He was Hatukatu's shadow more than ever now and followed the boy everywhere. Now Hatukatu's shadow, Dasu now used to follow everywhere Hatukatu. Now sometimes other Tibetans who came to the camp could laugh and say, "Why do you keep that crippled old sheepdog?" Many Tibetans used to come and say to Dasu that, "Why do you keep the old dog? We could give plenty of puppies which would be more used to we can give you plenty of puppies which would be more useful to you." To those people, Hatukatu's father would reply, "We grudge Dasu nothing. He saved my little son's life and is out of best friend." Then father said, "They saved my little son's life." So it became our family's best friend. Okay, see. Now, have you understood? Next day, question answer. Okay.